ka Jinghikai ba ngin nang ban kren phareng peit kane kan iarap pi lada pi ajung mentoy na kene ka video wanam glad ban share lam cheki parlak lane hayi kasam jongpi wanam glad ro ban page step by step khnang ba pin yo ajung mentoy na kene ka video singaw ba check ya kene ka video la bon ba ngala dap post never argue with a false kasi what jo yanya but keep a talk. Silence is the best reply to a voice. Kasi kajing ngapjal kalong kajuba kababiang ba ya kibatok. I never blame you without the reason. Kasi nga klem keno ipi klem kidaw kibabiang. But I have a proof. Kasi henry nga don kisaki. Always be thankful for what you have. Kasi barabor tosnyo mo yaka ay bakida. There is no gain without pain. Kasi dan kajing yok nong klem kajing sha shita. One day, your dream will come true. Kasi jisin kasngi kajing posnyo jongpi kan orlong shisha. Why don't you help me? Kasi balay pi kalamirap yanga. I try to help you as much as I can. Kasi nga bersyang banyarap yapi kat kabangala. Think before you speak. Kasi berkat ba haswa ba pinkren. When will you come back? Kasi lano pinwan pai biang. I can't promise you. Kasi namla bankula ripi. Action speak louder than words. Kasi kakam kakren kam jam ban kakakting. Health is wealth. Kasi kajing koi jinghikai kalong kaspa ba. People respect the money, not the person. Kasi ubriu upuram ya kaspa, ya ubriu. Don't wait for tomorrow. Kasi what up ya ka balashai. Because tomorrow does not wait for you. Kasi namar kabalashai come up yapi. To be rich is not what you have in your bank account, but what you have in your heart. Kasi banlang riuspa kam day yak ba pidon hakabang account trong pi henry yaka ba pidon hakadonun trong pi. If you want to be strong, learn how to be fight alone. Kasi lada pi kwa banlong ki baklan nang kumno banle malway. Don't give up. Kasi what can rantin? Lada piyo jing mentoy na kane ka video wanam klan ban share lam shaki perlak lane haying hasam jongpi. Wanam klan ru man like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel nang ba pin yo ya ki video iba thamai tang katai Who bless you both.